Let's be honest, your body does not know that it is the holidays. It don't care whether it's your birthday, Christmas, Thanksgiving. It is going to accumulate more fat if you are not intentional about how you're eating and about how you're living. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you guys a couple tips that I would recommend for someone who is on a weight loss journey this holiday season. So number one, I'm gonna say you definitely want to try and start your day with a green smoothie or something light. You don't want to be overeating throughout the day, waking up and having waffles, Dunkin' Donuts, iced coffee, cream, sugar, all this heavy stuff. Start your day off light if you know that you're going to be attending a holiday event during the day. For example, if you know you have a holiday brunch, definitely for breakfast, I would just do some ginger tea or like some lemon water. Ginger and lemon tea is very detoxifying. That is something that you can sip on in the morning, and it is going to help move waste out of your body. It's going to de-bloat you, and it's definitely something you want to be drinking in the morning if you are a big holiday eater. Number two, make sure you're hitting the gym, okay? Going to the gym is an easy way to burn calories. I know that it is not the most desirable thing to do. It might not be motivated to go to the gym, but what you have to understand is if you're gonna have 1,000-calorie dinner, you need to balance that out with the gym. During the holidays, a lot of us overeat. We're eating because we see other people eating. We're eating things that we usually wouldn't eat on a regular basis. So you're just gonna be filling your body with oil, salt, sugar, all types of sauces and acid and just all these inflammatory foods. Your body is going to hold on to that, and it is just going to get bigger and bigger, and you are going to be accumulating fat if you are not going to the gym and working it off. I would suggest first thing in the morning, that way it doesn't get in the middle of your day. Who wants to work out after Thanksgiving dinner or after any type of holiday party? No, you're gonna want to go to sleep. So make sure you get up at least like an hour or 30 minutes earlier. You can do some at-home workouts. YouTube has a plethora of options to choose from. You can also hit the gym and just, do a 1-mile walk, anything, that way you can get ahead of the game. Before you go to some of these holiday parties, I would definitely recommend calling the host, asking them, what are you guys going to be having? Are you guys gonna have anything green, any fruits, or anything fresh or wholesome, something for someone like you who is on a weight loss journey. If they are not going to have anything, then you definitely need to prepare for that. I would recommend bringing a couple healthy dishes. It don't always have to be hog and chicken and oxtail and turkey neck and all of this crazy stuff. You can do something unorthodox and really just inspire yourself, inspire your family to eat healthy this holiday season. There's so many recipes out there. You can literally just make 1 or 2 side dishes. That way you have more options to choose from when you attend the event, like a fall harvest salad or some lentil soup, like a lentil veggie soup, something light, something healthy, something a little bit unorthodox. If you come to Thanksgiving dinner or Christmas dinner with something healthy, that should really just be a sign to your friends and family that you are committed to your journey, and it should also be some inspiration for them and definitely some motivation for yourself. There are a plethora of healthy holiday meals on Google. Use YouTube. You do not have to give up your cultural cuisine just because you are trying to be healthy. There are so many different healthy recipes for a lot of the dishes that we are used to. So definitely use the internet to see what types of recipes are out there. You do not want to be taking home leftovers after these holiday dinners, okay? You want to have your fun at the table, and after that, leave it right there. Do not take that stuff home, because you don't want to be eating that stuff the next day and the next day and the next day. That is an easy way to dig yourself into a hole right before the new year. And let's be honest, we all have some crazy goals for 2022. Grandma done put a stick of butter in the mac and cheese. She done put a stick of butter in the sweet potato pie. Okay, you don't want to be eating that a week after Thanksgiving, because that is not going to get you to your goals. eat at the table, enjoy yourself, and then the next morning you got to get back to business. You got to get back in the gym, back drinking your gallon of water a day, drinking your green smoothies, doing what you got to do. Do not take that stuff home and be eating leftovers, okay? Make sure you are drinking your water. It is 10 something at night and I'm down here, okay? When you are adequately hydrated, you are not going to be munching on things. Half the time when you think you're hungry, you are actually thirsty, okay? So before you start eating at Thanksgiving dinner, at these holiday work parties and things like that, ask yourself, like, have I had a glass of water today? Go find some water and just drink a glass of water, and then 5 minutes later ask yourself, like, do I really want to go for another biscuit? Also, you can do a juice cleanse the day after. I did a whole video on juice cleansing. That next day, you know, you could do you some green juices for half the day. You had 2 slices of apple pie, you had big macaroni and cheese, you had fried chicken. Wash away those inflammatory foods. It's gonna help get you right. Make sure your skin isn't breaking out all crazy after all that oil. Your body is a machine, and you want to make sure that you are giving yourself the fuel that you need to be a healthy individual. Do your body a favor. Get rid of all of the bloating that you know your body wasn't prepared for, okay? I had one more point. Oh, before you go to these events, make sure you eat. You do not want to go to these parties and be hella hungry. You're literally just gonna set yourself up for failure if you ain't ate all day and then you show up at your mom's house for Thanksgiving dinner. Of course you're gonna want double of everything that she made. Like, do not do that to yourself. Start your day with something light, but maybe before you go you want to make a salad, or you want to have some veggie soup, like a small appetizer. That way you're not super starved when you get to Thanksgiving dinner. Follow me on Instagram. I have so many recipe videos that I have created to be a resource for my friends and family who are trying to eat healthier. If you gain anything from this video, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you on the next video.